On the night of the May 7, 2025, tensions along the India-Pakistan border flared as the India launched Operation Sindoor, a series of precision strikes targeting 9 terrorist sites in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir, following the deadly Pahalgam attack on April 2022-2025, which killed 26 people. As Pakistan retaliated with drones and attempted aerial incursions, India's S-400 Triumph, dubbed as Sudarshan in Indian services, proved its mettle. Deployed in Punjab's Adampur region, the S-400 intercepted Pakistani drones launched from up to 650 km away, including those targeting military and civilian infrastructure. Army sources hailed the system's ability to neutralize these threats, showcasing its dominance over Pakistan's air assets. Meanwhile, in Israel, the Iron Dome faced its own test on April 13, 2024, when Iran unleashed over 300 drones, cruise missiles, and ballistic missiles in retaliation for a suspected Israeli strike. The Iron Dome, tasked with intercepting short-range rockets, worked alongside Israel's Arrow and David's Sling systems to achieve a 99% interception rate, protecting cities like Tel Aviv from devastation. However, the sheer volume of the attack exposed vulnerabilities as some projectiles breached its defenses, underscoring the system's limits against the saturation attacks. These recent incidents highlight the S-400 and Iron Dome as pivotal air defense systems, each tailored to distinct threats. In this video, we explore their characteristics with a focus on S-400's use against Pakistan in 2025. The S-400 Triumph, the long-range guardian. In the evolving landscape of modern warfare, few defense systems stand out quite like this one, a strategic long-range surface-to-air missile system designed to dominate the skies. What is its purpose? It's clear and critical. To neutralize a wide spectrum of aerial threats, advanced aircraft, stealth jets like the F-35, drones, cruise missiles, and even ballistic missiles. With a maximum range of up to 400 kilometers, depending on the missile variant, and an altitude reach of 30 kilometers, nearly 98,000 feet, it establishes an impenetrable shield over vast territories. But range is only part of this equation. Speed is where this system truly excels. Its interceptors can reach a blistering Mach 14, about 17,000 km per hour, fast enough to take down targets traveling at a similar velocities. In 2025, this capability was put to the test against Pakistani drones, successfully intercepting them with surgical precision. At the heart of its effectiveness lies the 91N6E radar, capable of detecting threats from 600 kilometers away and tracking up to 300 targets simultaneously. When it's time to engage, the system can attack 36 to 80 targets at once using a mix of missiles including the long-range 40N6E and the agile 9M96E2. Highly mobile, the system is mounted on 5P85TE2 truck-based launchers, allowing for rapid deployment within 5 minutes. India has strategically positioned 3 squadrons across Punjab, Rajasthan, and the northeast, guarding both the Pakistan and the China borders. In 2025, it played a key role in the Adampur region, forcing Pakistani F-16s to alter their flight paths and tactics, demonstrating the system's value as both a defensive asset and a strategic deterrent. But this power comes at a price. Each fire unit costs around $300 million. India's 5 squadrons, comprising roughly 6,000 missiles, amount to a total investment of $5.5 billion. Its strengths are formidable. A far-reaching air defense net that covers nearly all of Pakistan's airspace, jam-resistant radar that sees even the most elusive aircraft, and seamless integration with India's integrated air command and control system, working in tandem with Akash and Barak 8 systems to form a layered defense system. Its real-world performance against hypersonic threats remains largely untested, and like all complex systems, it faces logistical challenges, high maintenance costs, and vulnerability to electronic warfare or saturation attacks. Still, in a world where air superiority often determines the outcome of conflicts, this system stands as a technological marvel and a silent sentinel in India's skies. Coming to the Iron Dome, the urban lifesaver, since its first deployment in 2011, Israel's Iron Dome has served as the nation's shield, its first line of defense against a relentless barrage of rockets from Hamas and Hezbollah. In May 2021, during one of the most intense escalations in recent memory, Iron Dome intercepted around 90% of the 4,360 rockets fired by Hamas, keeping civilian casualties to just 12. a testament to its precision, speed, and reliability. But the system faced its most formidable test on April 13, 2024, when Iran launched a massive, multi-layered attack. Iron Dome successfully intercepted most short-range rockets. However, when paired with faster, more advanced hypersonic missiles, the system's limitations surfaced. Some rockets slipped through, highlighting a critical vulnerability, that is the saturation. On social media, praise for the Iron Dome poured in, yet many also debated the economics of war. Each Tamir interceptor cost around $40,000, while the rockets it destroys may cost as little as $500. So what makes Iron Dome tick? It's a tactical, short-range defense system designed to intercept unguided rockets, artillery shells and mortars, and some low-flying drones. Its range extends from 4 to 70 kilometers, though upgrades could eventually push that to 250. It defends targets up to 10 kilometers in altitude and roughly 33,000 feet. The Tamir interceptor missile travels at a Mach 2.2 or about 2,700 kilometers per hour. Guided by the EL/M 2084 radar system, it quickly distinguishes real threats from decoys, engaging only those projectiles headed toward populated areas. Each Iron Dome battery is mobile. Though it takes 15 to 20 minutes to deploy, Israel operates the system extensively, while the US has acquired 2 batteries for testing, with over 2,400 rockets neutralized since its debut and an interception success rate of up to 90%. Iron Dome has become a global benchmark in urban missile defense. Its strengths lie in precision, cost efficiency through selective targeting, and battlefield reliability in densely populated areas. But no system is perfect. Iron Dome is ineffective against advanced threats like ballistic or hypersonic missiles, and it can be overwhelmed by sheer volume, a weakness laid bare in 2024 Iran assault. Its short operational range also means it must operate as part of a larger, layered shield complemented by long-range systems like David's Sling and the Arrow. Yet, even with its flaws, Iron Dome remains a game-changing innovation. It's not just a weapon, it's a symbol of modern warfare's evolving balance between technology, cost, and human life. The S-400 and Iron Dome aren't rivals. They are designed for entirely different battles. The S-400 is a strategic powerhouse. In 2025, it showcased its might when deployed against Pakistani drones, deterring Pakistan's frontline assets like F-16s and forcing a tactical pullback. Its true value lies in dominating vast airspaces, making it the ideal shield for nations confronting sophisticated aerial threats. But against short-range, low-tech rockets, it's simply a overkill. Enter the Iron Dome, a tactical savior built for urban protection. Its 2024 performance against Iran's rocket barrage reinforced its status as dependable defender in asymmetric warfare. But when the skies are overwhelmed, even it has its limits. Which is better? Please do let us know in the comments. That depends on the battlefield, right? The S-400's long-range reach and strategic capabilities make it indispensable for defending national borders and countering high-end threats. Its 2025 deployment proved it can shift air tactics across an entire region. The Iron Dome, with its pinpoint accuracy and rapid response, is unmatched when it comes to protecting civilian areas from constant, low-tech rocket fire. Coming to the conclusion, both systems are marvels of military engineering, tailored to their missions. The S-400, India's far-reaching Sentinel, neutralized Pakistani drones and reshaped regional air strategy in 2025. The Iron Dome, Israel's close-range protector, saved countless lives and cities in 2024. Different ranges, different threats, one shared goal: air superiority. What do you think about this video? Please do like, share and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital, and please do let us know in the comments, S-400 or Iron Dome, which is the best.